Hi, thanks for joining us today at Smarter This Summer. We have another fantastic video for you. Today's video comes from Kristen Sekaly. She is a blogger, creative writer, and a tabletop gamer, and her video today is about tabletop games. So let's take a look and see.
Hey there, I'm Kristen Sekaly of catsanddice.com. It's summer. Kids are out of school and ready to have some fun. They don't want to think about studying or homework right now. At the same time, you don't want them to lose their focus. Fortunately, they won't with some fun, well-selected educational board games. Board games aren't just Monopoly or Candyland anymore. Now, there are thousands of board games on any topic you can imagine, and many of them are educational. Take Photosynthesis here as an example. This beautiful strategy board game will sneak some biology in as you play. Players grow their own trees, which they can only do with enough sun points. You earn sun points when the sun is hitting your tree just right, which isn't easy to do because the sun rotates. Then, players use their sun points to buy new seeds, grow their trees into adulthood, and then once a tree has lived a long life, you can retire the tree, which will earn you extra points. The person with the most points at the end of the game wins. Between the science of a tree's life cycle and the math required to keep track of your sun points and overall score, Photosynthesis is an excellent example of a STEM subject board game. You can play it in the sun while on vacation or inside at home on a rainy day. Board games are a great way to keep kids entertained over the summer while they're still secretly learning. Plus, it's a lifelong hobby that can continue well beyond the summer and as kids get older too. To learn more about educational board games for any subject, check out our post on catsanddice.com on educational board games to keep mind sharp.
Thanks, Kristen. Those are great ideas. Be sure to post some comments, and if you want to upload your own ideas in the comments, that would be great too, to send us your videos. Forward this to a friend if you think someone is interested, and if you share it on social media, which we hope you do, please tag us at #SmarterThisSummer so we can find you across the interweb. I'm Liz Weaver from Learning Success. I want to tell you that you are an amazing parent. Thank you for showing up today and taking the time and doing the work to make your child better and to embrace their brilliance and unleash their potential. I'll see you in the next video. Kristen Sekaly is a blogger, creative writer, and tabletop gamer. She loves to help others learn and connect with each other through board games and tabletop role-playing games. This led her to start the game blog Cats and Dice. Her gaming and education-based articles can also be found on Crossword Hobbyist, My Word Search, Teacher Habits, and Minds in Bloom. She's a native of Michigan and now resides on the outskirts of Philadelphia.